In this video, we present a wide range of solutions for weighing and packaging non-food products. These include semi-automatic systems and fully automatic solutions, all designed and manufactured in Veneto, in the province of Vicenza, Italy. Let's begin with the BG EasyKiss Weigher. It is a versatile weighing machine, available at a very competitive price. In addition to weighing systems, we also offer practical solutions for sealing pre-made bags. The Weigher is also available in a modern version with a touchscreen display. It includes a very useful piece counting function. By entering the unit value, which is the weight of each individual piece, the system automatically calculates the quantity. This is an extremely practical solution for products that need to be packaged by quantity, as well as by weight. The BG EasyKiss handles small and medium weights. It is ideal for processing a wide variety of products, weighing them and dispensing them into jars, containers, and pre-made bags. For more demanding applications and more complex products, we offer our BG Easy Weigher. It is designed to handle both regular and irregular products. As you can see from the vibrating channels, the product feed is always smooth and consistent. This outstanding versatility makes it possible to handle small, medium, and large weights. It is the ideal solution for packaging metal hardware, such as screws and nuts, shaped plastic components, single-dose packets, and many other products. Depending on the selected configuration, it can handle small and medium weights, as well as larger quantities, while always remaining extremely easy to use. Our weighers can be combined with different independent sealing systems. The compact mini sealing continuous band sealer quickly and easily seals small and medium-sized bags. It includes a printer and is also available in a version with a touchscreen display. For sealing large bags, we offer our big sealing machine. For customers who need to weigh and package powders and mixtures, C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines offers the BG Combi New. It is a precise, versatile, and customizable semi-automatic solution. The machine combines volumetric screw dosing with weight control. This makes it possible to obtain accurate packages and a consistent production flow. It can also be used to weigh small polymer granules and other small granular products. Once weighed, the powders can be packaged and sealed, including under vacuum, using our professional semi-automatic kit. For packaging small products and components, we offer the BG Mini Smart. It is a compact, versatile, and easily customizable solution. Thanks to its step-by-step operation, several different components can be placed inside the same bag to create small kits. The BG Mini Smart is particularly suitable for packaging hardware, electrical and electronic components, plastic parts, and many other products from the non-food sector. It is the perfect system for creating customized small assembly kits, grouping screws, wall anchors, and seals together in a single operation. The BG Mini Smart is also available with an integrated weighing scale. This provides greater accuracy and helps optimize the workflow when packaging granular products and small components. Our solutions make it possible to package a wide variety of products in different bag sizes and formats. Now, let's take a look at some fully automatic solutions. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines has an extensive portfolio of customers in Italy and abroad. We work with leading companies operating in both the food and non-food industries. Over the years, we have developed solutions for companies working in a wide variety of fields. These range from electronic components and technical hardware to plastics, polymers, fibers, and powdered products. This broad experience allows us to understand products with very different characteristics. It also allows us to design truly customized dosing, weighing, and packaging systems. Every product has its own specific requirements. These include shape, weight, flow characteristics, fragility, size, and material properties. For this reason, we do not simply offer a standard machine. Instead, we study and develop the solution that best meets the production requirements of each individual customer. We also manufacture automatic systems for powders and mixtures. These systems use volumetric dosing units, weighing systems, and pneumatic conveyors to ensure a continuous product supply. Depending on the customer's requirements, the system can produce medium-sized bags, larger bags with greater capacity, and, for specific applications, vacuum-sealed packages. For applications requiring greater accuracy and a consistent production speed, we can also integrate multi-head weighers. These systems can quickly identify the most suitable weight combination. For further information, visit our website at ciasrl.it. You can also visit our video channel at confusiona.it. C.I.A. Italian packing machines. Since 1986, we have been dressing your products all over the world.